Hey everybody, so I picked up some couple pliers from Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Appreciate you guys watching. Alright everybody, so I picked up, this was 2 different days. This one I bought yesterday, this one I bought today, but I'm just going to do them in the same video. They're the same brand. This one I grabbed today. And then I also grabbed these 4 of these right here. But, so these are Crescents. This one says Pivot Pro, this one says Pivot Pro. This one I got in Santan, which is older packaging, and what it looks like to me. And this one I got in Casa Grande. Casa Grande seemed to be the only one that had these Linesman Pliers with the high leverage on them. And I picked them up. You can tell they're different color. These are orange and these are red handled. They're both Crescents. They're both Pivot Pros. I don't know if they decided to change the color because the handles are the same. Same texture and everything. The only difference is this one's orange and this one is red. Crescent. So the dikes, I call them dikes. They're diagonal side cutters, whatever you want to call them. There's a lot of things you can call them. These are 8-inch, because you can see that the top is orange and the handles are orange and the bottom is orange on this one. The top is red on this one and the handles are red. So, but it doesn't matter to me as long as they work. These are 8-inch pivot action diagonal pliers. Unique pivot action design requires 40% less effort to cut. Induction hardened cutting edge for long life, designed with standard bevel edge for general wire cutting. Forged steel for superior strength and durability meets or exceeds applicable ASME performance requirements. Dual material grips provided additional comfort and durability. I don't have a lot of Crescent tools. I do like my Crescent Lufkin Night Eye tape measures, and I figured, you know what, I can't find the high leverage jaws anywhere locally, so I figured, you know, I'll just because it allows you to sample it. I figure I'll just try them out, you know, pick them up. Should be alright. Should, you know, do what I need for them to do. Oh, and the part number for this one is CCA 5428, Charlie Alpha 5428. These are 8-inch. It says 40% less effort to cut up, or to cut, and then it says 8-inch, 200 millimeter. Limited lifetime warranty is what it says. I think it was only like 14 bucks for this pair. Yeah, it was $14. Crescent 8-inch. Pivot Pro line. Yeah, that's not it right there. Which receipt is it? It's this one. $14.97 with a $1.28 tax, so it was $16.25 for these guys because it was the only thing I bought that day. Hold on, guys. So we had to cut that one open a little bit. So Here's the high leverage point. It was the nicest pair that they had. They are actually really nice. See what it does to this cardboard. Yeah, it cuts nice and clean. Very clean. So I picked those up. Today I picked up these, which these are male double female adapters. These are for hoses, so you can hook up one 50-foot hose to this side and the other 50-foot hose to this side if you want. I picked up 4 of them just in case. You can also use these to cut these out of their packaging. I picked up 4 of them. They were like $2 a piece. Picked up those 4 just in case we need them for something. So we demoed these Crescents. I do like these handles. These handles are comfortable. I do like a lot of the bulkier handles because they're more comfortable for me. I also have bigger hands. This one is the Linesman Pliers. It says Crescent Pivot Pro Pivot Action Linesman Pliers. Crescent, and its part number is CCA 20509, Charlie Alpha 20509. 40% less effort to cut. 9-inch, 228 millimeter. On the back, it says 9-inch pivot action lineman pliers. Unique pivoting action design requires 40% less effort to cut. Induction hardened cutting edge for long life. Machine cross checked jaw pattern for gripping and twisting in any direction. Forged steel for superior strength and durability. Meets or exceeds applicable ASME performance requirements. Dual material grip provides added comfort and durability. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. Slide these open. Gonna use the dikes or the diagonal cutters, whatever you like to call them, to cut it open. Okay. Slide them out. So here's the Linesmans. These are the only 2 pliers I've bought from Crescent in a very long time. The Linesmans look really nice. I do like how the lever action for the high leverage, it does open these jaws quite wide. It does have the cross hatch as well as lines at the end. Both sides, it does have cutters in the middle. Right here. And it also has hatching down here in the bottom, and it does have hatching on the outside too, right here on both sides. These are actually very nice. There is a little deflection in the handles. Okay, a little bit of deflection. The jaws are straight. They're actually dang near perfectly straight. I can't tell if they're crooked at all. The holes line up all the way down. Looks good. So we'll give them a try. And then I picked these up just in case, you know, they ever need to be used for anything. They weren't expensive. I grabbed 4 of them, you know, or one of those occasions that I do need one of these and no store has them. That's why I picked up 4 of them. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Let me know what you guys think of some of the Crescent tools. If you guys like them, let me know. It says CCA 5428 on the dikes, and CCA 20509 on the high leverage Linesmans. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I appreciate you watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. I appreciate you guys sticking around for the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!